Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 5th of October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Six of Swords, the Tower card, and the Emperor card. Person B here has the Hermit card, 10 of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Now bottom of the deck I have 7 of Swords. This means that there could be some kind of a situation where one person in this relationship is doing something which is a little deceitful, a little bit of cheating or a little bit of forgery is involved right now. Now from the first set of cards I see you have 6 of Swords, which means that you feel that this relationship has kind of become a burden. The next card for you is the Tower card. Here it means that you will be hit by one energy which will go ahead and shake things up in this relationship. Now, if the foundation of this relationship is built on something which is faulty, you both were not transparent and honest to each other, then this relationship will break or that shake-up will happen, and that is the Almighty's way of telling both of you that you need to start again and you need to start from scratch. Now the third card here is the Emperor card, which is Aries energy. This means that after the Tower energy hits in, you will move into this energy where you will go ahead and lead this situation. Now person B here, they have the Hermit card. Hermit is Virgo energy. This means that this person is in the self-reflection mode. They are trying to think what is best for them, what they need to do in order to take care of this relationship. The second card that I see for them is the 10 of Swords, which means that they feel that somehow they have been backstabbed and hence they want to now start a new relationship. With Ace of Pentacles being there, this person is looking for a new beginning. It could be with you, but it could also be with somebody else, and there they want to go ahead and start small and eventually build on that relationship. Now let's see what is the intention of this person here. The first card is King of Wands, 8 of Wands, and the 10 of Wands. With all the Wands energy, it means that passion and physical attraction plays a very important role in this relationship, either for you or for your person. Now from the first card I see it's King of Wands, which is a very strong, powerful energy. It means that you are a go-getter. Whatever you want, you will get it by hook or by crook, but you will make sure that you get it. Now there is also some kind of communication that you can expect from this person with the 8 of Wands. It could be that this person is also feeling that this relationship has become a burden and they want to drop it off altogether, or it could be that there's something else that they want to go ahead and talk about. Once they have that conversation with you, you might feel that this has become a burden. Now let's see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards. So the message that I see here is a new romantic cycle begins. Now with this, it means that for some of you, both of you will start a new cycle all over again. But for the others, it could also mean that you will just walk away and start a romantic cycle with somebody else altogether. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see here is Cobra Jasper. The crystal message is, have you been getting outdoors enough? It is time to reconnect with nature. Get out there and put your hands in the earth, garden, walk in nature, play with animals, and allow the earth beneath your feet and the sun above your head to nurture and realign you. This means that you need to connect with nature. And with this, we also have a message from Archangel Thuriel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe. Love yourself first.